Hi everyone! My name is Brittany and I'll be your English teacher for this YouTube channel. So I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Brittany. You can call me Bree if you want. Some of my hobbies are hiking. I love karaoke. I can't sing though. And I also really like photography and filming YouTube videos. So those are 4 of my hobbies. I'm from Wisconsin in the US. Have any of you ever been to Wisconsin before? Because that's my hometown. My home state is Wisconsin. We are very well known for cheese and beer and American football. So if you have any interest in any of those, I hope you visit Wisconsin someday. I'm from the US, but I live in Tokyo, Japan. I have lived in Japan for 12 years, so it's a very long time. And while living in Japan, I found that I really like teaching English, and I decided to make this YouTube channel about it. So I hope we can learn together, and I'm so excited to start this channel. I actually have another YouTube channel about life in Japan, so if you want to check that out, I'll leave a link down below. The channel is called Tokyo Bree, so please check that out. It's also all in English, so it might be a good way for you to listen to natural English being spoken. I came to Japan when I was 19 years old, and I had to learn Japanese while living here. So I really understand what it's like to learn a second language. Japanese is very different from English. So if I can learn Japanese, you can learn English no matter what your native language is. I'm really excited to help you learn English. There are many English accents in the world. Many different countries have English as their native language, so there are different versions of English. My English is American English. So on this YouTube channel, I'll be teaching American English. So I hope you are interested in learning American English with me. Since this is my first video, I would like to get to know you guys. So please leave in the comments what your name is, if you have a nickname, what country you're from, and why you want to study English. If I know why you want to learn English, I think I can make better videos to help you learn the kind of English that you want to learn. I also want to try and teach English that might not be found in English textbooks. A lot of people learn English from textbooks, but sometimes that's not how we talk in everyday life. So I want to include everyday life English, and I hope that it will make you sound more natural when you talk. If you have any questions about learning English or a word in English, please feel free to comment any questions you have on learning English. I will try to answer your questions with a comment, or I might make a video about it. And also on this channel, I hope to give you some tips and tricks on how to learn English more fluently and to help you be more confident in your speaking. Thank you so much for watching this first video on my channel. Please subscribe if you want to learn American English with me. And if you're interested, I have a channel about my life in Japan, so I'll link that down below too. I hope to see you again on this channel, and don't forget to comment your self-introduction down below. See you next time. Bye!